5-minute guided meditation for inner calm and balance. Sit in a quiet and comfortable place. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine any stress or tension leaving your body. Focus on the sensation of your breath. Feel the air moving in and out of your lungs. Allow your breathing to become slow and steady. Notice the sensations in your body. Start from your feet and move upwards if you encounter tension. Breathe into that space and let it soften. Acknowledge any emotions you are feeling without judgment. With each exhale, imagine releasing these emotions, allowing them to float away. Bring your attention to your heart. Envision a soft, glowing light there, representing love and kindness. Feel this light soothing and balancing your emotions. Think of something you are thankful for. It could be a person, a place, or an experience. Let the feeling of gratitude fill your entire being. Slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present. Take a few more deep breaths. When you feel ready, open your eyes, feeling centered and balanced. Take a moment to appreciate the calmness you've cultivated. Stretch gently if you wish and carry this sense of balance with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking this time to nurture your mind and spirit. May you feel grounded and serene as you continue with your day.